In this video, I want to show you a simple way of adding watermark to your videos using two apps, Alight Motion and Kinemaster. Alright, so you might want to add a watermark to your video if the video is not yet paid for, like 100%. Like if you take 50% or 70% down payment, you might want to add a watermark if you pass the video over to the clients for review and corrections. Okay, you might want to add a watermark to that video until till your payment is complete. Or if you are posting your video online, you can add a watermark to claim ownership of your video so that someone else might not get to convert it to theirs without your permission. All right, so let's just jump right into the tutorial on how to achieve this. All right, so the first thing we have to do here is to select our video clip. All right, so after that we start adding our watermark. So click on layer, click on text. So add our text. Any text you want to have is your choice. You can add your phone number or more to it. So let me just add a phone number so they know it's your work, and also there's a way to contact you. All right, so I'll just come to text option, reduce, oh sorry, not that, reduce the distance between the two texts. Okay, so make it big a little bit, make it bigger. Then come over to blending. Yeah, blending. So click on multiple. All right, not to worry, I will show you how to make it more visible. So after clicking on shadow, enable it, then come to showing the color right here. I'm using black. All right, so come over to distance, increase it a bit, and the size as well. Okay, increase the size and also the spread. Okay, so this kind of watermark, blends with the video very well. Okay, it blends while also performance is work. All right, so this is it right here. The video is quite visible, and also the watermark is visible as well. So you can see right here. So you can change the color of the shadow. Let me just change to another color so you see. So this is it. Depends on the kind of color that is prominent in the video. So you can change the color to fit in. I think black is just better. Black is better. So we leave it as black. All right, so that's just it. Cast increase the distance a little bit, and also the spread. Alright, so that's basically how to add a watermark. And also you might want to animate your watermark. Alright, don't leave it static. Okay, so if you want to animate your watermark, click on this keyframe button right here. Then the first keyframe is automatically added. Alright, so you just need to move forward in your timeline a bit, then you can move your watermark. Okay, right, move forward a bit and you can move it again, as you can see right here. Alright, so this is it. So make sure the watermark is not obstructing the actual view or the important information in the video, and also place it in somewhere that it is more visible. Okay, as you can see right here. So sorry, here for example. Okay, so that's basically it on how to add a watermark. So we use our Kinemaster for this. So thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Alright, so I've added my video already in my Alight Motion. Okay, so the next thing is to add my text. So click on the plus sign right here and add the text. Savvy creators. Alright, so let me add the phone number. Okay, that's it. So I'll change the color to white right here, change the font to something bold, and increase the size as well. Okay, so this is basically it. All right, so make everything all right. So change alignment, and that's it. All right, so for this to work out quite well, we come to blending and opacity. Click on, I think, dark. Okay, click on multiple. So come to border and shadow. So go on this shadow function, which is this third one right here. So go it on. Okay, and increase the size a bit. All right, so you can also change the position right here, but I think the position is quite good as it is. Okay, so let me just increase the size a bit. I think this should be okay. All right, so let me expand it to the end of the line so we view it properly. All right, so this is it. This is a wonderful way to add a watermark to your videos, all right, without it having to obstruct your video itself. Okay, it works very well. All right, so also you can change the color of your watermark as well, like I just showed you before. You can change the color. Okay, sorry, I want to change stroke of shadow. So you can change the color of your shadow depending, but black is mostly used. Okay, so you can increase the size. All right, so it's pretty much easy, and also you know you can animate in highlight motion as well. So click on this move and transform. You can add a keyframe and just start moving your text around. Okay, you can move your text around if you want to animate your watermark. All right, so that basically it on how to add a watermark to your videos using Alight motion as well. Okay, so kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and also thumbs up this video and share it to your friends and family who might need this. All right, so see you in the next video.